Hi, welcome to my channel djthomasedu-world.net. I am Deepak Jacob Thomas. Let's start Excel tutorial chapter 2, controlling the worksheet view. I have categorized into 4 different slides, one with the normal view, page layout view and page break view. The second will move on to the custom view. The third is a watch window. The fourth is club of freeze panel and split. Let's go on to normal view, page layout view and page break view. How can we accomplish with the help of Excel? Now I have a data entered here. Now to the right we have 3 small windows. In the normal view, generally we enter the data. When we click on the page layout, it will display the data entered. How much page does it take to accommodate it? As we see, it goes from page 1 to page 2. Next, let's go on to page break view. Supposing we have initiated page break view, we have page 1 and page 2. Before taking a print, I require to compress the data and fit in page 1. For that, you have a dotted line which is highlighted in blue. Just keep the cursor near the blue dotted line and drag it to the extreme right. This will make the complete data to be fit into page 1, and we can give print based on our requirement. Let's move on to next option, how to view the sheet in Excel, that is custom view. What does custom view does? A situation arises to view 2 different parts of a workbook simultaneously. To go to the custom view, we have to go to view and custom view. Let's perform this in Excel. I have data here. Now as I told, view, custom view. It pops up the custom view window. I give an add option here and name this view as V1 for the data 1 sheet and give OK. Simultaneously I move to data sheet 2 sheet and again click custom view, give add account and name the custom view as V2 for data 2 and give OK. Assuming I am in sheet 6 and I need to view the data in which is data 1 and data 2 sheet. Now assume that you are not able to view this data 1 and data 2 sheet. It is gone beyond the limit, and every time you need to search with the help of sheet scroll button. Since it is a time consuming job, we can go directly to custom view again. We have need V1 and V2. Just click on V2. Suppose I need to view data 2 sheet. I am in sheet 6. Click on V2. It will display what is the data entered in data sheet 2. This is how custom window works. Move on to another viewing option for working in Excel, that is called the split view work option. The splitting of the worksheet into pan splits. Here we can split the worksheet into 2 pans, upper pan, lower pan, or 4 pan, up 2 upper left and right pans and 2 bottom left and right pans. This we can go by view and split option. Let's work on Excel sheet and see how does it work. We have view and split. Supposing I need to split into 4 different pans, so I just click on active cells and initiative split. This makes the data into same data into 4 different category: upper pan with left and right data, lower pan with left and right data. Just click on the lower pan and you can scroll up and down, or if you want to scroll horizontally, in any pan you can click, you can do it. To unsplit it, just click on the unsplit it, just split again, it comes to the normal view. You want to split only in two pan, just click the row which you want to split and initiate a split. This will split this data of data to sheet into two pans, upper pan and lower pan. Here click on the upper pan, change any data, say it is 55, you can see the bottom pan data also changes to 55. This is how the split command works. Let's move on to the next option of viewing the worksheet. We can use the function as freezing pans. What does freezing pan does? The situation arises when you want to view the descriptive text of row or column to be visible while scrolling vertically or horizontally. That means when you are scrolling vertically or horizontally, the text in the row should be in standstill position, only the data below the row to be in a movable position. Likewise for the column also. Let's see how does it perform in Excel. I have a data sheet. I need to go to freeze the data above row 2 such that I can vertically scroll the data below the row 2. Here for this I select the active cell where one below the row where you want to freeze. Say I need to freeze row 2. I go to the active cell A3, click on active cell A3 and initiate to freeze pan and freeze pan. Here we get the row 2 and is in a frozen position and the values below the row in an unfrozen position. Now we can vertically move up and vertically move down. This is much helpful when you have say 100 rows. You need to enter a data in 100 column. By looking into the main heading of row 2, at that time we can just freeze the row, scroll it to the position and change the data so that our objective is served. To unfreeze it, go to the freeze pan, unfreeze of pans again, it comes to normal view. Simultaneously you can freeze the column by moving to the active cell, say B2, go to the freeze pan and initiate a freeze. Now this column is in a freeze position, that means it does not move when we laterally move horizontally. So the column A is completely in a frozen position and the values of all other column can be in a movable option. Now as the same objective of freezing row, we can perform the objective with freezing column. Let's move on to the watch window function. Here this watch window function, as the name defines, it only serves the purpose of a watch. How do we watch what happens in a particular cell? Here a situation arises when you need a particular cell continuously and with scrolling data working visibility is not feasible. We can go to this option by formula watch window. Let's perform this in Excel. I have a data sheet. Assuming I have in sheet 11 and I am performing some tasks. Suppose my data is in data 1 and data 2. Now for simplicity I have calculated and summed up the value of this column P. Likewise for data 2 the sum value, and likewise for data 3 the sum value here. Now I will go for watch window formula, watch window. This is watch window operation. Here I need a continuous and a consistency watch on what happens in the add cell of data 1, add cell of data 2, add cell value of data 3. I can perform by giving add watch. It asks select the cell which you want to watch. Just select this, give add, next give one more add, go to data sheet 2, same thing, select the cell that you want to watch, select this and give add, again add, go to data 3 and select the cell which you want to watch, select this cell and give add. Supposing I have been working in data sheet 3 and a value here I change from 20 to 5, or the value here in column P I change from 15 to 3. See, the value of the sum changes here. Likewise the datasheet tree, what activity is happening in this active cell will be displayed here. It is nothing but a continuous watch on the preference cell which we need to view. This is the main function of a watch window. If you go for data to sheet, I change a value in this column P to 100. You can see the value change here as 3700. Same way the watch window, we have given the command to view what happens in this active cell. The value also is visible here. This is how a watch window performs. Chapter 2, Controlling the Worksheet View. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe for more videos, and if you like this video, kindly give a like. Thank you for watching.